Hello my dear subscriber, my friends and my lovely fans. A delight welcome to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today, the new amazing video of stunning and gorgeous designs of pleated skirts designs for lovely women. My dear friends, these skirts, designs and looks are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear viewers, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and my lovely fans, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So friends and viewers, a humble request to all of my lovely friends to please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of pleated skirts designs. Friends, these skirts are so comfortable and gorgeous that you can confidently wear them without any worry in formal or casual events. So friends and my lovely fans, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. Friends, we brings you the best of the best from each designer's collection and making it possible for our viewers to feel like they have a personal stylist. My dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and it would be an honor for me to serve you daily if you hit that like button also. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Love you all guys. This is your host Rasach.